How to draw Giulia's dad from Luca. To begin drawing Giulia's dad, we're going to make the outline of his face. His face has kind of a square-like shape to it. Once we're all done drawing the outline of his face, we're going to draw his nose. To draw his nose, we're going to draw the top two sides of a triangle for the top part, and then we're going to draw two more lines kind of coming to a point for the bottom part of his nose. Now we're going to draw his big bushy mustache. On the right side of the nose, we're going to draw a curved line coming off of it, and then we're going to draw another curved line similar to that one but coming off the left side of the nose. Then we're going to finish drawing the mustache by drawing some curved lines underneath and connecting it back up to the nose. Then we're going to do the same thing for this side of the mustache. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew, our drawings are coming along great. We're almost done. For the next step of drawing Giulia's dad, we're going to draw his big bushy eyebrows. We're going to start by drawing the right eyebrow. And then we're going to draw the left one. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Make sure to stick around until the very end so that we can color in our drawings together. Now we're going to draw a half circle for his left ear. Then we will do the same thing for his right ear. We're also going to add a small detailed line inside of each ear. And for the last step of drawing Giulia's dad, we're going to draw his hair. We're going to start at the left ear and we're going to draw some wavy lines going upwards all the way around to the right ear. Now lastly, we're going to add some detailed lines in the hair. This is how to draw Giulia's dad from Luca. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you like step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Now let's go color in our drawings together.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.